Hi, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Now I am making a shan project. This one is a garbage from the Milo cover. So we will cut this one for his project. I will help him. See? So stay tuned. Talk to them.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
This is like garbage from shampoo, cracker covers, coffee covers. This one we will make it recycle. You can use also this one pillow. I make this one before a pillow. This garbage. So hope you enjoy my video. So let's go. Let's do it.
You were making a pillow you were cutting for many days.
Yep.
I'm gonna show them here how
Yeah.
you
So
do
this is how you cut this one. You need to be, of course, you need to be careful. So don't cut yourself. Just do like this. You need to be this scissor. You need to be fast. You need to cut fast so it will make like this, the finished product. This one, see? This is all garbage.
Yeah. Recyclable.
Yeah, recyclable. But we wash this before we cut. We wash this. We
Yeah.
wash. So it's clean already. See?
Alright. Interesting.
Oh, I started my diet. I ate 1 banana, 1 bread, sliced bread, and 1 boiled egg. Then coffee.
Coffee is not good for you.
That's why I need to buy tea. It's good. Tea is good for metabolism, right?
Yeah. Okay, we're about an hour and a half into this, and here it is how it is looking right now. Cutting. It doesn't look like the paper has reduced anything, but it looks alright, I guess. Okay, today is Saturday and she's still cutting. This is for our nephew. He has a little school project and we're trying to help him out a little bit, I guess. So what are they doing with this, hon? What are they doing with this?
I don't know with Shan teacher, they said you need to make like this. Cutting some plastic. I think it's good also to prevent some garbage, so recycle.
I think it's kind of a recycle project there,
Environment.
and they're kind of learning a little bit about the environment.
Yep. So that's their project.
Yeah. But there's still a lot of paper to be cut.
Yeah, at least I have a finished product.
How many bottles did you say
1
you
and a
needed?
half.
Yeah, and they needed how many?
5 bottles.
Oh my goodness, you have 1 day left to do that.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna let her keep cutting here, and don't forget to like,
Share
comment.
and subscribe our channel.
All right, bye for now.